Surface Laptop Studio 2 is an all-in-one laptop for creativity and entertainment, with a winning combination of versatile design and incredible performance to power the most demanding apps. You can instantly transform this 14.4-inch touchscreen laptop to be a perfectly angled display for entertainment to a creative canvas for drawing and sketching. Powered by Windows 11, this is the ultimate powerhouse of a laptop, so let's open it up and see what's in the box. Surface Laptop Studio 2 is part of Microsoft's effort to design for a lower environmental impact, and its packaging is made with sustainably forested materials and is 99% recyclable by material composition. Of course, once we lift the lid, we're met with a device featuring that beautiful mirrored Microsoft logo. Did you know that this was first introduced to Surface devices in 2015 with the release of the Surface Pro 4? I think this is a great way to showcase Surface devices being laptops that are designed by Microsoft. I'm also a big fan of this tab on the packaging. It's designed for accessibility and to make the device much easier to safely take out of the box. Of course, we have all of the usual suspects in the box, the user guides and warranty information, as well as your new Surface Connect charger. It's not often that I give a shout out to the charger, but in using Surface for over a decade, I've been incredibly spoiled by the USB port on this charging brick, which is great for charging other devices and accessories. And the charger itself connects to your device magnetically, so if I do pick up my Surface Laptop Studio 2 and leave my desk without realizing that it's plugged in, the charger is just going to fall away. It's not going to damage the device or yank me back to the desk. I am obsessed with the premium design of the Surface Laptop Studio 2. I've been using the first generation of this device every day since it came out, and I love the dynamic woven hinge, which enables me to seamlessly transition between a powerful laptop for productivity, entering stage mode for a perfectly angled display for collaboration and entertainment, and then studio mode, creative canvas for drawing, sketching, and taking notes. You can see and do more on a bright and vibrant 14.4-inch PixelSense Flow touchscreen with true-to-life color and 120Hz refresh rate. The screen has Surface's signature 3:2 aspect ratio, which gives you approximately 18% more vertical screen space, which is ideal for editing photos, videos, creating content, or designing your next masterpiece. And of course, you can house and charge your Surface Slim Pen 2 under the lip of the keyboard, so it's always ready for whenever creativity strikes. But let's take a look at what's different about the Surface Laptop Studio 2. The first thing that screams out to me is the introduction of two new ports, a USB-A port and a microSD card reader. As someone who uses their device for creating content every single day, this is such a welcomed addition. Of course, you do still have your two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, as well as your trusty Surface Connect port. Let's explore a little bit further and talk about some of the internal upgrades to power your productivity and creativity. Surface Laptop Studio 2 has a few different configurations available to best suit your needs and your budget. Featuring 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processors built on the Intel Evo platform and delivering up to 2 times the compute power than ever before. This device has up to 64GB of RAM and a blazing fast SSD with up to 2 TB of storage. You can design, draw and edit with the latest NVIDIA laptop GPUs, and there is always a dependable connection when you need it most with the new Wi-Fi 6E. The sound on Surface Laptop Studio 2 features Surface's iconic Omnisonic speakers and Dolby Atmos. And you can also sound your best with far-field studio mics with voice clarity. You can also pair Surface Slim Pen 2 with this device, and it has tactile feedback that makes it feel like pen on paper. And now, designed with inclusivity in mind, you can have the ability to customize the precision haptic touchpad, adjusting click force, finger detection, and that right-click area. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 offers users the best of Microsoft. Not only is this the most powerful Surface device, but the Surface Laptop Studio 2 really shines with Windows 11, and when you pair it with the perfect subscriptions like Microsoft 365 and Xbox Game. With Windows 11 and Surface Laptop Studio 2, you have security built into the operating system and the hardware with the TPM 2.0 chip and Windows Hello. Right from the Windows 11 out-of-box experience, I can set up this device to recognize my face and seamlessly sign me in with Windows Hello. And while we're speaking about all this camera can do, The Surface Laptop Studio 2 features a Surface Studio camera with a wide field of view that works with Windows Studio effects for eye contact correction and automatic framing, making sure that you are always centered in the picture. Both Windows 11 and Microsoft 365 are optimized for touch and pen on the Surface Laptop Studio 2, and you can get more done and make the most out of your screen real estate with that iconic 3:2 aspect ratio, giving you more vertical screen space, as well as helpful Windows 11 features like Snap Layout. Not only is this powerhouse great for being productive and creative, but it's also great for gaming. If you game on Xbox and PC, then I'd recommend looking into the Game Pass Ultimate subscription, where you can access over 100 games that you can install on your Xbox and on your Surface Laptop Studio 2. Or you can even pin your Xbox controller and stream games through cloud gaming. Pardon my pun, but we have barely scraped the surface of everything this device has to offer. With 3 modes, you can seamlessly transition between to best suit the ways you work, the addition of a USB-A and microSD card reader, refreshed internal components, and some amazing new experiences that are powered by Windows 11. You can bring your ideas to life with the most powerful Surface ever. The Surface Laptop Studio 2 is designed to adapt to your workflow and power the best of Microsoft's innovation. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. If you want to learn more about the all-new Surface products and features coming to Windows 11, Microsoft 365 and Xbox, make sure you hit subscribe so you can catch the next video.